now on Toucan tours. Look at this. I've got a feeling like we're in Coral Island here. It's weird, isn't it?
Yeah,
So Eden's excited for it.
They're little ghosts and they're like a big playground here.
Oh, it's all decked out.
And here
It does look really
as
cool.
well.
So on that side, you can see there's a little bit of a climbing thing, which is really cool. I like it in this building. It looks really good.
Yeah, I got the houses over here as
Yeah,
well.
it's got all put little ghosties on there. It looks really, really good. Oh, look. There goes a witch there. This is really cool. Kiddie coaster down there, look. There. Whoa, that's a big dragon, isn't it? Look at that. That's the theming's really good, isn't it? I'm really impressed with the stuff they've done in here. And there's a big archway. Looks like we're heading into a tunnel here. The spiders. Oh, it's all mysterious, look. It does, doesn't it? That's bizarre. Looks really cool. Oh, look. There's all pumpkins there. Friendly ghosts. Skeleton there, look. He's a friendly skeleton. Hey Casper, guess what? You were tall enough for Millennium. What do you think about that?
No, I'm not. It's 1.4.
1.1?
No, I measured myself and it said 1.4 as well.
Oh, here we go. Got all these ghosties. It looks really good, this.
Where's the mummies there?
Mummy's sat behind us. There's one there, look. We've reached them now. Oh, there's Toucan, Decimath.